What's up, guys? It's Movie Warrior back for Blu-ray 4K Tuesday. Now today's unboxing will be for a old classic movie from Warner Brothers on 4K, and that's for the Maltese Falcone with Humphrey Bogart. Then you have the 100th anniversary WB logo, and then it's also 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. So there's the front, your spine, got your back if you want to read details and special features. Two discs. Disc 1, Blu-ray disc. Disc 2, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of the Maltese Falcone on 4K. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Serious, thank you. Leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Warner Brothers movie and cartoon. Thank you.